Do you think that business is an occupation only for adults and children have nothing to do in it? We will now dispel these prejudices. History knows many real-life examples that tell how teenagers begin to do something interesting for them, and it brings them thousands and millions of dollars. Today we will tell another story of a child businessman who, despite his young age and lack of experience in running a business, was able to become the owner of millions of dollars. And he's only 11 years old. Someone will think that this is a plot for a movie or a book. However, the story of Kieran Williamson, this is the name of the young talent, happened in reality. This young impressionist artist is now known all over the world for his talent, which he realizes on paper, creating his unique masterpieces. He is called Little Monet, because his paintings are as incredible as the works of the famous French impressionist Claude Monet. The boy was born in 2002 in England, in the eastern county of Norfolk. At the age of 5, Kieran traveled with his family to the southwest of England, including the county of Cornwall. What then influenced the boy? A change of scenery, the beauty of Cornwall's nature or something else, is unknown. But it was then that artistic talent was revealed in the boy. And a year later, Kieran became the Guinness Book of Records record holder, thanks to his brilliant talent as an artist. In 2009, the first exhibition of the Little Impressionist was organized, and 23 of his paintings were sold in just a quarter of an hour. So Kieran earned the first $35,000. A year later, a second exhibition followed, where 33 works were already sold. And this time the young artist became richer by as much as $200,000. Kieran Williamson's fame grew by leaps and bounds, and along with it the amount of profit increased. The next exhibition of paintings brought him $600,000. His paintings were acquired by art lovers from different countries, in particular Japan, North America and European countries. Famous collectors have replenished their collections with the works of the little artist, and they still continue to do so. In total, over the past 5 years, Kieran Williamson has earned $2.3 million from the sale of his work. So, at the age of 11, he became a real dollar millionaire. Today the young artist is the owner of Kieran Williamson Limited. Due to his young age, he is not able to fully manage the company, so his parents help him in this, who by their profession are also related to the world of art. Kieran's hard work and perseverance can only be envied. He creates several paintings a week, which are recognized as real masterpieces by connoisseurs of Impressionism. No matter how much Kieran draws, this is still not enough to satisfy the entire demand of buyers for his paintings. People are lining up to buy Williamson's paintings that have not yet been made. As the artist himself says, the number of people in the queue varies from 500 to 3,000 buyers. The paintings are easily sold at quite impressive prices, from $3,500 to $30,000. Looking at the works of this 11-year-old boy, it is hard to believe that such pictures were created by a child. According to critics, he paints at the level of a fully accomplished adult artist who knows all the techniques and nuances of art. 11-year-old millionaire Kieran's parents are somewhat perplexed by the genius of their son. On the one hand, they are very happy and proud of their child, and on the other hand, they are afraid that popularity can inflict a psychological blow on the child. The sudden talent of the little boy caused a lot of gossip in the media. Some publications even wrote that in fact the paintings are created by an adult artist, and then the authorship is attributed to the child. Such a marketing ploy. However, Kieran himself is least of all worried about what they say about him. He just creates his masterpieces and, I must say, his family lives in abundance thanks to him. Recently, Kieran's parents bought a new luxurious house, and finally said goodbye to life in rented apartments. However, painting is not the only thing that fascinates Kieran. The boy dreams of becoming a football star, and often plays this game with his friends. Now no one knows what will happen to Kieran when he grows up. Time will tell whether he will become a world football player, as he dreams, or will further develop in the direction of painting. But what he has already achieved in his 11 years is undoubtedly worthy of respect. As you can see, everyone has their own path to success. Someone earns their millions with talent, someone with perseverance, someone with non-standard ideas. The main thing is to do what you really like and what you are passionate about with all your soul. And then success is just around the corner. Thank you all for watching, like it, subscribe to the channel.